Mga kayelo, one thing I want to ensure when it comes on supplying a machine to your site. Powerhouse, we are not just focusing on a simple aspect, on one aspect. We are not just focusing on the machine. We're focusing on electricity, water supply. That's why we are also giving you the best water filter. We are also giving you the best equipment that we can use para mapaganda ang supply ng kuryente sa inyo, dahil yun na mas mahalaga. Parang tao to. So sa tao, ito yung machine, ito yung katawan. Pero kung ano kinakain mo, yun ang possible magbigay sa'yo ng sustansya, ang kagandahan ng performance, o yun ang pwedeng sumira sa'yo o pwedeng magbigay sa'yo ng sakit. And yun yung mga deeper aspect na inaayos natin when it comes on supplying machine, no? So yun. And then of course, wala namang kwenta ang machine kung walang business opportunity, because we will use the machine to produce ice, to produce money for us to have a good income, a good business, so that makapag-supply tayo ng maganda, na maayos na yelo sa ating mga customer, sa mga milk tea shop, coffee shop, restaurant, and other users, even small households in sari-sari store. But then for us to do that, we have to do that in perfect aspect. We cannot skip the process. We cannot give a good machine but then a poor electricity supply. We cannot give a good electricity supply even though gumamit tayo ng powerhouse box if compromise naman yung machine natin. So napakadaming aspeto na dapat mabusisi na ayusin. At the end of the day, what really matters on your side ay lumabas ang yelo na maayos sa mahabang panahon para ito mapakinabangan mo at mapagkakitaan mo sa mahabang panahon. And on our side, huwag mo na pakaisipin yung lahat na sinabi ko, because Powerhouse will help you kung paano mabibigay yung tamang aspeto at tamang pagpoproduce ng ice sa side mo. Hayaan mo na kami ang gumawa para sa iyo, parang isipin mo na lang kung paano ka magbebenta at paano ka kikita.